Hello everybody, this is my Suzuki Boulevard C90, and just like everyone else's, I probably have that no start after riding it. Well, the problem that I found is there is a decompression valve. My bike is dirty. It's very dirty because last time it didn't want to start. I just left it sitting. I was pretty pissed. But besides that, it's a decompression adjustment cable, and here's what it looks like. It's right under your valve cover on front and back sides. What happens is, I guess this cable gets loose right here. There's this one, and there's this one. Like this one right here on mine is extremely loose. This one's pretty good. When you start the bike, flips this valve, lets the decompression off, and turn this one. This one's connected to the back one, and that's the one I think on mine. It's not fucking. It needs readjusted. But I flipped the valve, bike started right up. Before that, wouldn't start at all. I mean, it'll probably start right now. We'll try it right now. Starts right up. Earlier, ka-tunk, 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 make you think it had a dead battery. Not a dead battery. We'll walk to this side real quick. Show you this side. The one first flipped. Is this one. Push it forward. When it's got compression on it, it'll be hard. See how loose that is? I don't know if you guys can see. I can't see. It's pretty loose, so I'm gonna adjust that one, and I think that'll take care of the problem from now on. All right. Good luck, guys. If you guys have any other any ideas and stuff, let me know.